This one, he's got 2 slips in weight. Ben McKinney begins today how he was yesterday, very watchful, if that is the case.
Edged and through the slips. I think it went really low between Kai Smith, the wicket keeper, and I think it's Rob Yates at first slip. And that run, it might even be a couple of runs, actually flicked off his legs nicely.
Might be 4 of them.
Will it be 4 of them? I can't quite
It is
see.
indeed.
It's back-to-back boundaries for Ben McKinney, and that boundary, the second one, takes him past 150. Bamber to continue. Ooh, little tickle behind. Yeah, I think that's out. That is the end of Ben McKinney. It's not the best ball Ethan Bamber has bowled over the last couple of days.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous from Hogg. 2 full, 2 straight. That's probably a shot David Beddingham would be proud of. Short and dispatched. Short again. Pulled again. 4. I thought it was going to be 6 again, but bouncing just inside the rope. One day.
Ooh, goes for the big shot. Appeal
It's
for
given.
stumped from Kai Smith. Good bit of work from him. Potts just lost his head slightly. He was looking to hit that down towards us. He didn't get.
This is 15.
Ooh, big peel for LBW and he's gone. 2 wickets in the over. I think it was the wrong end from Taz Ali, and for the second time in the innings, he's picked up a couple of wickets in the over. Outside edge. We'll give Alex Davis the benefit of the doubt. He's gone through a spot where Gully might have been. George Drizzle, the subfielder, is going to chase it all the way down to the boundary.
His time kind of ended bittersweetly for him. Carved away lovely by Robbie Yates. He's up and moving. Twice as hard now to get back in this side. Ooh. Edged, and I think it's dropped just in front of Emilio Gay at third slip.
Good knock, given nearly landed on Wednesday. That's good knock in any context. Lovely shot from Al Davis. It's his second boundary down to that vacant third boundary. That one much more convincing than the first one, which was a genuine nick through Gully. That
Lovely shot from Alex Davis. Pulled away.
will know what he wants. Lovely drive. Alex Lees puts in the dive, but he can't get near it really. It's a lovely stroke. Just over pitched. Did all right in his career, didn't he, Onions?
It's a bit lovely shot. Save your legs, Robbie Yates. You don't need to run for them. Slightly overpitched. Maybe trying to look for that.
Fuller from Hogg. Davies sees it coming and punches it past Ben Rain at mid-on. That's a nice stroke.
Short and pulled convincingly by Alex Davis. Ben McKinney sets off, but punched. Dismissed by Alex Davis. He has all 12 from that over. He moves himself to 28. Too short, too wide. And he got the treatment from Alex Davis. That's a 50 partnership. That's going to hurt. Emilio Gay having just moved out of third slip. Oh, what a catch, Emilio Gay. Slapped at him by Al Davis. Daniel Hogg responds after being tonked for back-to-back boundaries.
Cut away. Uppish. Over the slips. It's George Drizzle who's left to trot off down.
Oh my word, Daniel Hogg. That is how you respond to a leaky start. Through to Ollie Robinson, and that will be lunch on day 2.
Here's Doggett around the wicket to the left-hander. 3 slips. 2 straight. Flicked away. Fielder at deep backward square, but isn't going to be able to cut it off. Yates plays that shot really nicely. Moves on to 30. They've got a strong batting lineup though. Far from a one-more-man team. That's a lovely stroke from Sam Hain. Maybe just searching for that magic ball.
That's a way to end the pressure. First bad ball from Potts since lunch, and
yes,
in the middle order.
Doggett outside edge from Hain. We'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe he played with soft hands. First one to kick the turf is Will Rhodes at first slip. 4 runs.
Edged. Don't think it carried to Colin Ackerman at second slip. Robbie Yates, 42. But he will not add to it. Ben Rain has his first wicket on home soil this summer.
Hogg around the wicket. That is a beautiful shot. It was over-pitched. Absolutely no need to run those.
That's how you get off the mark.
Driven to the boundary from Sam Hain. Doesn't even run. Doesn't even move from his crease. Oh, good use of the feet there from Dan Mosley. He'd sat there, he'd had a look at Ben Rain. Little shuffle down the wicket towards him. He'll see that as a low-risk option.
No, it's good to see from a youngster. And he'd actually been in and started doing some work.
Beautiful shot there from Sam Hain. Just back of a length. Punched away, doesn't have to run that one. Driven straight. They're going to pick up one. Yeah, it's gone past Alex Lees. Wondered if for a second he was in with a chance. He wasn't.
Now 203 for 8. Sam mentioned earlier, just difficult to stack good days against that sorry side. As that's whipped away by Dan Mousley. He'll pick up a boundary, and
Sussex wouldn't be a bad one.
big shower given! Will Rhodes has his first wicket at his new home ground. Big appeal and given! Brendan Doggett has his first Durham wicket. He should have had Sam Hain on 9. He has Sam Hain on 30. Doggett buoyed on by having his first wicket in Durham colours under his spell, but Kai Smith has his first boundary of the innings. Oh, it's just after an Ashes series, I think.
Now,
High.
catch that.
Alex Lee's under it. Steadies himself and takes the catch. Brendan Doggett has 2 in 2 overs, and Durham are taking control of this afternoon session. For the evening session, wind picking up here at Banks Homes Riverside. Just going to be one single from that over, and the players will make the way from the field.
I know a few of them. One of my best friends, actually. Got his wedding in a couple of weeks. Still not sure whether to go. Opens the face. Couple of runs. Probably 4 of them, actually. It's a long old chase. It's teased. Short pulled in front of square. There were cries of catch it because Emilio Gay is in there at a short mid wicket. It was a good 2 metres to his right, I reckon.
Wonder if there might be some mind games coming up soon from Alex Lees.
Gets that one away in front of square. Kai Smith comes back for 2. Will he come back for 3? No, he doesn't need to. He passes 50. Nice little knock from the 20-year-old, making his maiden first-class half-century.
Edged and taken by Emilio Gay all the way down at 3rd. Kai Smith will be devastated. He's thrown that wicket away, really.
Oh, big appeal for LBW, and he's given. Shoulders, arms, Taz Ali. Maybe that one nip back.
Alas, they do not. Lovely drive. Lovely drive from Michael Booth. He will go to his 50. So leave.